Hey there, it's Greg T from the Image Stop, doing a quick walkthrough for the store locator, feed that goes onto the Valley Commons and the Stoneboat websites. First things first, this needs to be done and used through using Google Chrome. They have it set up so that there's an add-on for Google Chrome that you need to use to be able to do what is necessary. Without that, this is not possible. So that is the first step. Second one is to go to the website for the plugin itself. So this is the store locator for WordPress by micro.company here. You don't need to download the plugin by all means, but down here you'll see this little thing for installation. Click on that and it says add this plugin to your plugin to WordPress, which we've already done, and then install our Google Sheets add-on. That is the one you need to download or set up and install within Google Chrome. That will walk you through. You go and do that and set that up, and that's the way that one goes. We have included that link in the email as well, and that's there's your basics right there. Then it's how to actually change the sheets. Pretty simple, really, when it comes down to it. It's all laid out for you. The links to both the sheets is in the email as well. And here you go. I'm going to show you the Valley Commons one right now. Here's the stuff. Now, to erase anything, it's a matter of simply going here, right-clicking, and delete row or clear row. Fine. Adding things is simple as adding the store name, then the address, and so on and so forth. The things that you need to add are just straight across here. And then this is what the VC Stores one, or the Valley Commons Stores one, came as. So we did not alter this one. You'll notice that there are some differences. I'm going to go to the Stoneboat one right now. For instance, you've got here store name, address, mobile, phone, okay, type, and coordinates. This one has store name, address, region, country, mobile, email, URL, business hours, type, and coordinates. Reason being is this is the full sheet. This one must have been modified at some point. We did not do that. This is how it came. So, yes, you can reduce these things if you like. That is your call. I think having the URLs for the website might be handy, but that's up to you. So all you have to do is fill in the form. So if we were to add another one here, we add the name of the store, the address, region, so province it's in, country of course, phone number, and you could email, URL, whatever. And you'll notice that if you don't add these things, it doesn't show up with a blank. Okay, so this is the Valley Commons one. Where's the Stoneboat one? Right here. It doesn't show up on a blank or anything. It just doesn't have it on there. So you can leave these fields and it's fine. Business hours, if you got that to work with. And as far as the type goes, look at that. What's it say here? The type, there, liquor store, restaurant, so on and so forth. And when you see what it looks like, when you go there, liquor store, it actually doesn't say on here, so it doesn't even show up. So that's not a huge deal, I guess. Lastly, the coordinates that you have here. This automatically goes in once you fill it out because the form actually propagates and does some of that itself with some of the formulas that it has. So that's it. Now, how do you make that work? Well, it is set to auto update, but it auto updates, periodically as it's ready. If you need to get some things updated more immediately, when you're in the actual spreadsheet online, you go to the extensions, click on that, and down here you go to Store Connector and Bulk Update. Click that and it will work and do the full update on that. So successfully updated with the new thing. There we go. There you go. There's your overview right there. And that's it. That's what will get all those things ready for you. So use those links in the email that was sent, and I highly recommend that you just save those. We've got ours saved all in a folder. We've got our wineries folder with all this kind of stuff here. There's our two thing and the other ones that we could use as well. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, you feel free to reach out. Take care.